Anybody ever seen a bird fight before? I don't know, where'd they go? These are two birds fighting. This is going on.
They've been going at it for a while.
They've been fighting for about half an hour now.
Were they fighting?
Yeah, they're fighting. One's got the other one pinned. He's trying to beak him to death.
And in this corner,
Fighting out of the blue corner. Coming in at 2 ounces and 11 something else.
yeah, they're really going at it, huh?
Yeah, one has got his claws
In his face.
in his face.
They both got each other's face, and one's got each other's
Oh my
arm.
god.
They're like digging in their eyes and everything. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. Go.
Kick him.
Go. Go.
Oh, they ain't moving.
Come on.
Get him, get him.
Come on. Come on.
Kick him.
I'm trying, but they ain't going.
Oh,
Go.
shh.
They're not having it.
No, they're not gonna let go.
No.